Hello guys. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enlarge an image in Photoshop. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open Photoshop. And just so you know, this tutorial will help you in any single version of Photoshop. So for me, I'm using the 2019 one. If you have like the 2022 or the 2012, it will still work for you. So now let's click on File, New, and choose any custom preset from here, or just create your own one by customizing these numbers here and click on Create. Now we need to drag an image, so click on File and then Open, and for example let's choose this image right here. Now we drag it in this project and here it is. Now for example, I want to make it very big, that it will contain all this space right here. How do you do so? Just click on Ctrl T and select the layer, and here you go, we'll get the selection right here. From here you can just drag it from there and from there and make it as big as you want. So this will reduce the quality of the image, so be careful with using it. There is other method of enlarging the image, which is like just selecting the layer from here and then coming in here and just drag this up and down, and it will change the image size. Else, if you want to keep the quality a little bit, there is this option that will make you and try to keep the quality. It will not save the quality as it is, but it will try to save it by just clicking on here, click right and click on Convert to Smart Objects. By doing so, if you did drag this image, it will a little bit save the quality of the image. It will not save it all, but it will keep it a little bit. So that was it with the tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and see you in the next tutorial. Have a nice day. Bye bye.